Palibasa, you know, when I was reviewing all the works that I have done, I realized I've done about 3 to 4 films with Tita Glo. There was Araw-Araw, Gabi-Gabi. There was I Wanna Be Happy. There was Narinig Mo Ba Ang Latest. So, at saka nung writer ako, ang pinaka-favorito kong sinulat na kasama siya is yung Condemned ni Mario O'Hara. And then remember, there was a time that every Wednesday, I believe, or Tuesday, I would be in ABS with Tita Glo because of the shooting, the taping of Palibasa ang Lalaki. So that was about 6 years. So it was only recently that we barely had any contact. And I realized that when we gave her a parangal last year for the FBC piece, Parangal ng Sine, that Marites said that she was already incapable of going out of the house and it was no longer safe for her because of her age. So I felt bad. I felt bad about it because the last time I saw her was in Joel Amangan's Rainbow Sunset.
2018.
Yeah, and in a way I'm sad, but in a way I'm glad. I'm sad because she's no longer with us, but she has left such a big body of works. And more than the body of works, the life she has led as an example of what it is to be not only a professional, but to be a good human being on the set, which seems to be lacking nowadays among the new generation. Even to the very last day that I talked to her, she was still the same Gloria Romero. I think what is outstanding about her is her humility. Is her humility and her concern for people. Sa akin, naloloka ako sa role na binigay ko. Hindi ba? Sabi kasi mahanap kami ng role ng isang lasenga. Hindi ba? Na may mga, si Tita Minerva Chavez na may mga alak na nakata. Nung kinakast namin niya, uusap kami ni Douglas, sino ang magandang nanay ni Cynthia Patag? Sabi ko, let's look for somebody na hindi mo paniwala ang nanay ni Cynthia Patag na lasenga. So names came out. Sabi ko, si Gloria Romero, can you imagine the Virgin Mary being the nanay of Cynthia Patag na tumutungga ng alak? And she did it so well. Did it so well.
Meron ba siyang input?
May isang taping kami ng Palibasa Lalaki. May artista, babae. Ako po si Cynthia Patag, naglalunch kami. Andito si Gloria Romero. Si Gloria Romero, andito si Cynthia Patag, andito yung artista ang babae. Makain kami ganyan. May dumaan na babae, sabi ni Cynthia Patag, Day! Kuha pa akong tubig, kuha mo akong tubig. Sabi ni Gloria Romero, Cynthia, nag-glare. Sabi ng guest ang babae, Mama, ako rin kuha mo ng tubig. Nanay pala nung artista yun. Tawa kami ng tawa. Talagang hindi kami makatawa, pero si Tita Gloria, Cynthia. Ayun, ano ba siya?